Okay. Ice slash fire. Yep. And it uses fire. Cool. So the problem was this. When dynamically changing the height of the window, the contents that you are allowed to draw on, those do not get automatically changed. So you call this create contents after refreshing, and then it will allow you to draw on 2 lines instead of 1, and so on. And then you can just do the rest like usual. And hopefully you noticed there when I used I did fire, ice. No, I think I did like fire slash or something like that. So that would have been fire slash, do nothing. Would have been slash fire slash, do nothing. And then it would have been fire slash, which would have turned into the burning blade attack or whatever it was. So I'll do it again. There's ice slash fire and then slash, and it will do nothing. It will loop through 1, 2, 3 times until it finds only fire and slash in the array, and it will use the fire attack. And just as another test, I'll do ice, ice. Oh, I can't do ice a lot. Okay. I'll do slash, slash, ice, and then slash. And that should disregard the first 2 slashes and use the ice sort. Okay, cool. Okay, nothing will happen. Set the MP TP cost of the blended skill result equal to the total cost of the skills being blended. Okay, and let's see. We will add in a skill node tag. Add this to your resulting skill. X and Y. X, Y, Z, so on, are the skill IDs which need to be used in order to produce the skill this note tag is on. Hopefully that makes enough sense. Is that everything? I think I did want to add in some actor specific default here, but I don't think I want to do that right now. So we're just going with default, and yeah, later on I should make an add-on plugin that allows you to change this per actor. So that way you could even make it just an actor specific thing. Give everyone a normal number of 1, which means they can't combine skills. And then for that one special actor, you would allow 2 or 3 or whatever. Let's try and add in input so that if if a player doesn't want to try and combo, they can just press confirm and then it'll just go through like normal. So let's see, we'll go to the scene equip. So I want to see what the other option is here. Page up, page down. There we go. I need to add this somewhere. Scene, battle, here we go. Create skill window. Here we go. Here are the handlers. So I'm just going to add this, but make it the skill window. Maybe we'll just do on skill cancel. Oh, other way around, other way around. Hold on. I need to see what one this is. Okay, so if I say page up, okay, that is the same. Page down is E, this is W. No, other way around. Q, W. I wonder why there's no little press sound effect. So if I go that, and then that, oh, mm, um, maybe this is fine. We will make Q this. We will ignore the other one. So if you want to combo, you need to press Q and then just go ahead like usual. So I'm thinking we might need a little middleman here to just say if you have asked to do a combo or if you've just went straight through. So let's make scene battle. It's a trigger blend or flag blend. Skill blending. Equals true. And then we'll need to set this to false whenever we back out. Where's this is the one. Yeah, start actor. Skill blending equals false. How do we play sounds? Let's see. I don't think it is this one. Maybe it's just this. Play okay. But then we will call on skill okay. So when we do this, on enemy OK, if we haven't flagged the skill blending, then we will quit out early and just call the regular enemy OK. We don't even need to do any of this to just check if, yeah, that could be up at the top. Actor OK. On actor OK. Enemy OK, and then this should be on select action. So if I just go slash, okay, first aid, okay. If I say I want to do Q, there, now it has, that was actually queuing them up. Okay, cool. And the cool thing was, I don't undo the flag. Yeah, I don't undo the flag until you go back to the actor command select. So if you just initially say I want to trigger a combo with this, the next time you can just press confirm and it layers it up. Only when you go back here will it undo. Oh, and it didn't. Interesting. Mm, let's see, where is the on enemy cancel or n on skill cancel? Here? So I just go straight through, but now if I try and combo it, okay. If I go, right, let's see what happens if I combo this, combo that. Mm. No, I think I prefer actually forcing them to always select if it's a combo or not. Maybe this is the only place it should matter. Huh. So let's rip that. So we'll say if there's skill blending, if you're not skill blending, we will run this. This is maybe the key. So it might seem weird that we're saying if we're not skill blending, then apply skill blend. But this is essentially just to see if we have said we want to keep going. So where is this? Actor okay, let's go down. Enemy okay, we're going to get rid of this. I'm going to put in just above here. So let's see. If we just click ice, it goes through. If we say we want to combo this and then this, oh yeah, we need to undo. If we are doing this, select another skill. Select another skill, where is that? Okay, we need to reset that. Okay, we go combo and then we go finish it off. And that should have been it, that should have been it. No, hold on. That's terrible logic. If we've already told them we're selecting another skill, then we wouldn't be doing this here. Or would we? Maybe it's fine. Hold on. Yeah, because it's the end of this. We say we want to combo that, but then we just want to do that. Okay, that's good. But if we want to combo and keep going, yeah. Okay, lovely. So let's see, combo and then just go ahead. Nice. Alright, so let's get added into the help. In order to trigger skill blending in combat, just press Q and selecting skill. This tells the game you want to continue selecting skills. When you're done selecting skills, you can just confirm a skill like normal. Yeah. So this went on a lot longer than I thought it would, but I think it's quite a nice one. Other than not having this in yet, I think it's quite a cool script or plugin. So you go, just use ice. And then we can go back and say, actually, we want to combo fire, combo ice, and then combo slash. It will get rid of the fire one, and it will mix the ice and the slash. So let's try it in a different order. We'll do slash. No. We'll do slash, slash, and then slash, slash, and then fire. Right, cool. I am happy. Yeah, something about it still doesn't feel quite right. I think it's just that I've got no way of altering this number within regular gameplay. It purely takes from this number, which, yeah, it'll need some expansion later on, but I'm happy with this for now. So again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and all that. Yeah, hopefully you learned something.